Pack a powerful cardio workout in your own home with the SFT 4400 Motorized Treadmill. Shock absorption technology paired with a sturdy frame, this treadmill pushes you to your limits in complete comfort. Challenge yourself with the motor that can reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Increase your workout intensity with 3 levels of manual incline. Check your heart rate or increase your speed instantly with the handrail pulse sensors and quick select buttons. Glance at the multifunction backlit console to track your time, speed, and calories burned as you exercise. Vary your workout intensity by using the 9 pre-installed cardio programs. Stay engaged with your favorite apps with the tablet holder, or cool down with the convenient bottle holder. When not in use, fold up the treadmill and move it out of the way with the transportation wheels. Train to become better with the SFT 4400 Motorized Treadmill by Sunny Health Fitness. Join the fitness revolution with the T4400 Motorized Treadmill. This treadmill is solid and built to last. Ample treadmill surface makes running or walking easy and comfortable. 6-point shock absorption system reduces the amount of joint impact while running or walking. Handrail buttons allow for speed, start, and stop controls. Multi-function backlit console displays all your essential workout information with convenient integrated smartphone and tablet holder. Receive more fitness details with the built-in Body Mass Index BMI calculator to help you determine your fitness goals. Increase or decrease your workouts with 9 integrated precision intervals. A powerful motor will reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Challenge your workout with 3 levels of manual incline. Built-in transportation wheels make moving easy. Easy folding mechanism with a soft drop system makes folding and unfolding efficient and safe. Get fast, get strong, and live healthy with the T4400 Motorized Treadmill by Sunny Health Fitness.
Exercise in the comfort of your own home with this 800-watt folding electric treadmill. This foldable treadmill is built with an 800-watt motor that can power any level of workout. Switch between 5 program speeds and 3 exercise routines to make the most out of your workout. The built-in digital display allows you to track your distance, speed, time, and calories burned, while the integrated grip readers monitor your heart rate. Revolutionize your workout with this 800-watt folding electric treadmill by Best Choice Products.
Keeping fit and staying connected with your home fitness progress has never been easier with the SFT7705 treadmill with auto incline. The hydraulic soft drop system makes unfolding easy and safe. Seamless interaction with the Sunny Health Fitness app for iPhone and Android. Simply connect your device to the treadmill and go. Real-time results and tracking are displayed and stored during and after your workout. Multi-display digital console shows and tracks all of your workout progress. Nine built-in workouts, preset buttons to quickly change your speed and incline. Integrated device holder to securely place your phone or tablet. Treadmill deck provides ample space to run fast or go slow. Shock absorption technology makes walking or running softer on the joints. Enhanced handrails have integrated speed and incline control buttons with pulse sensors to estimate your current heart rate. Powerful motor can get the job done by reaching a top speed of 9 miles per hour. Stay hydrated and cool with 2 oversized bottle holders. Once you're done with your workout, see your training results by viewing your workout history. If you are done, this foldable treadmill can be folded and moved with the integrated transportation wheels. Start connecting and tracking your fitness to reach your goals today. The SFT7705 treadmill with auto incline will help get you there.
There are many ways you can increase your calorie burning potential. 2 of the best ways are by participating in running and HIIT workouts. Running is a plyometric movement that requires a large amount of force produced from the larger muscles of your lower body. Although running primarily involves the lower body muscles, muscles from your core, torso, and shoulders are also engaged, which will increase the amount of energy used and calories burned. Depending on your age, weight, and workout intensity, the number of calories burned will vary from person to person. For example, a male who weighs around 200 pounds and runs 3 miles in 30 minutes could expect to burn around 475 calories. A female weighing 130 pounds running the same pace and distance would burn just under 300 calories. A general estimate for the number of calories burned from running could be between 400 and 1,000 calories or more per hour. HIIT training, when performed properly, is another great way to increase calories burned. HIIT workouts can be performed on a variety of different equipment or with your own body weight. To perform HIIT workouts well, you must reach close to your maximum heart rate for a short period of time, followed by a recovery period. HIIT intervals can vary between a few seconds to over a minute and will test your ability to push yourself to maximum effort. Because of the intensity of HIIT workouts, they should not be performed for more than 15 to 20 minutes. If you find you can perform the HIIT workout longer than 20 minutes, or you feel you don't get as tired as you thought you were going to be, then you may not have been pushing yourself to the intensity required to complete a HIIT workout. So which one is better? Research shows both are effective ways to burn a high number of calories, but there is no evidence that one is superior to the other. Although, HIIT may be able to help you achieve the same calorie burn in less time when compared to other kinds of exercise. There are plenty of other activities you can perform that will help you burn calories. Some other high-calorie burning activities are jump roping and swimming. Remember, while choosing high-calorie burning activities is great, the best exercise program is the one you can stick to long-term. This will get you burning calories on a consistent basis, which will improve the likelihood of you achieving your calorie burning goals.